Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add some friends and even you can play with your friends list in the game friends feature in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So it's very simple. What you need to do first is look at this HUD or at the top of your screen. Tap this one, the people icon. Tap it and this is the feature. Friends feature, and this is my friend list. I'm new to this season and also my friend is only one, Henry. And in this is currently he is offline or he is in match. This is will highlight and you can see your friend's profile, even few active lineup. And also you can send a match request by tapping this profile or if your friend is on. And also you can search some random friend by tapping this one. This is a recommend user by game itself. You can add your friend like this, send requests. So you can add friends until 32 is the limit. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the next button below. Enjoy the game.